Hello and welcome to this screen recording of the pilot protocol for the Ayeonic online visual field test. This is a test designed specifically for pilot licensing requirements. So the first setup is important. The testee is asked to cover one eye, and if they wear glasses for reading, to put them on, to darken the room, although pitch darkness is not essential. It's important that they sit close to the computer. On this computer it's asking for 30 centimeters, but this number will vary depending on each computer. Now I stress it's important that they sit quite close to the computer, closer than they're comfortable for, and that's the job of the invigilator to get them to the right position. The computer can be tilted and the height of the seat can be adjusted to make the testing comfortable. It's important that the speakers are on and the person can hear the test. We'll begin with the left eye and cover the right eye. So you can see there are some instructions. Firstly, a webcam is essential for a licensing test. Again, 30 centimeters for the computer. We're testing the left eye, so we're asked to close the right eye. Now the testee must look only at this gold star all the time, and they might see targets such as these ones here appearing in their peripheral vision. Some are small and dark and some are larger and paler. When these appear, the user is asked to click the mouse or the space bar, but not look directly at them. The gaze must be kept at the star at all times. There are language options, there's video demonstration, and they can pause by pressing return and exit by pressing delete. So we'll begin the test.
Your test is about to begin. Please close your right eye and look at the star at all times. Press space or click the mouse when the target appears. Press space or click the mouse to begin.
So I'm sitting at 30 centimeters looking at the gold star, and when these targets appear, I'm pressing the space bar. Some I can't see because they're in my blind spot, and they're designed to detect
Keep looking at the star
spot.
and move a little closer to the screen.
The test found that I was sitting too far away from the screen and has asked me to move forward. So I'm doing that. I've moved a little bit forward and looking at the gold star still. Once it's happy with my position, based on where it locates my blind spot, it will begin.
Keep your head facing forward, your right eye closed, and follow the star.
So I'm looking at the star, which is now at the corner of the screen. And even though targets are appearing in my peripheral vision, I'm clicking when they appear, but I'm looking only at the star.
Look at the star. Move a little closer to the screen.
What happened then was I moved my head back, and the AI in the test detected that and asked me to move closer. And it's only when I move closer again that
Keep
the
your
test
head
continued.
facing forward, your right eye closed, and follow the star.
So I'm still looking directly at the star even though it's moving, and keeping my right eye closed. If I were to move my head, the star will turn blue and I'll be asked to reposition it.
Thank you for completing the test. Press space or click the mouse to continue.
So the test is finished. Now I can either look at the results of the test we just did or move straight on to test my right eye. Let's look at the results. And here we have it. The test took 1 minute 55 and it's completely normal with only one fixation loss.